Hello guys, on this video let's check how we can put a custom Gamerpic on our Xbox profile. There are many nice pictures already on the Xbox, but if you wanna put your own custom one, you'll have to transfer it. The way we're gonna do it, it's fast and very simple. We're just gonna need a PC and a pen drive to transfer our image. So insert your pen drive to your PC, select the picture you want or download any picture from the internet. Just make sure the size to be bigger than 1080 by 1080 pixels. Copy that image to the pen drive and insert the pen drive to your Xbox. Now on the Xbox, go up here to your profile, select My Profile, go down to Customize Profile, select Change Gamerpic and up here on the right select Upload a custom image. Select your pen drive by going down here and you'll see your image. Select it and you can edit it by zooming in or zooming out and then click the upload button. You'll see the percentage while it's uploading and then when it's finished a message will pop up that it's successfully uploaded, but they will need to verify if this picture is okay. So be patient about it. For more tips about Xbox, check my next videos right here on the screen.